Assembly. For operation of the device, you'll need a Pro-C MP-6 basic system, including the Pro MP-6 connecting cable and the connecting cable for the power supply and system controls. You will also need a Pro-LC 250 or Pro-LC 500 with lubricant, and the reusable cover for the Pro-LC. Remove all protective caps. Insert the battery into the battery compartment. Pay attention to the printed arrow indicating the correct direction. Place the Pro-LC in the cover and remove the plug. Now press the Pro-LC into the cover until lubricant is expelled from the outlet opening. Place the Pro-LC with the cover on the Pro-C MP-6 basic system. Make sure that the catch engages in place and the gear teeth on both components, Pro-C MP-6 basic system and Pro-LC, mesh. Now turn the cover clockwise until the bayonet catch engages in place. To connect the Pro MP-6 distributor to the Pro-C drive, connect one end of the 4-pin Pro MP-6 connecting cable to the connection on the Pro-C drive, and the other end to the connection on the Pro MP-6 distributor. Screw both plug connections in place. Connect the Pro-C drive to the power supply cable. Activation. When the Pro-LC is attached, the display screen shows --. Press and hold the Mode Save button for 4 seconds. The display screen shows the runtime. Press and hold the Mode Save button for 4 seconds again. A pin prompt appears on the display screen. The default factory setting for the pin is 00. Press and hold the Mode Save button for 4 seconds and set the size of the LC. You can use the Select button to choose either Pro-LC 250 or Pro-LC 500 as the size of the LC. Confirm your input by pressing and holding the Mode Save button for 4 seconds. With this button push, you access the next menu item. This is where you can select from the time-controlled and impulse-controlled operating modes. Time-controlled mode. To progress with the configuration, it is important to ascertain the appropriate discharge period. Use the overview table in the operating instructions for this purpose. In time-controlled mode, choose either months, weeks or days as a time configuration and then select a discharge period. You can define the number of months using the Select button. If you wish to set weeks or days, press the Mode Save button repeatedly until the desired selection appears on the display screen. Select the desired discharge period by pressing the Select button. Impulse Controlled Mode. For Impulse Mode, you must enter 00 days as discharge period. Press the Mode Save button until the option 00 days appears. Press and hold the Mode Save button for 4 seconds to save the setting and access the next menu item, Configuration Outlets. On the Pro-C MP-6, you can choose between 6 outlets. Outlet 1 flashes first. You can activate it by pressing the Select button once. If Outlet 1 is activated, a marking appears on the display screen behind the text showing Outlet 1. Now select further outlets by pressing the Mode Save button repeatedly. Press the Select button to activate the outlet. Press and hold the Mode Save button for 4 seconds to access the next menu item. When configuring the lubrication system for the first time, you have the option of changing the pin. Change the first digit using the Select button and confirm the change by pressing the Mode Save button. The second digit can then also be changed. Press and hold the Mode Save button for 4 seconds to save the pin input. The Pro-C MP-6 is now fully configured and ready for operation. Connect the Perma Pro C MP-6 basic system to the power supply. The green LED flashes and the system carries out a first initialization run. With the initialization run, the system checks whether all the outlets are detected. On completion of the initialization run, the Perma Pro C MP-6 switches to operating mode.